Vandana Kapoor of Chitkara Business School from Chitkara University. Today I discuss about the hypothesis testing, null and alternative hypothesis, and then we discuss about the p-value. So what is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing is a type of statistical analysis in which you put your assumptions about a population parameter to the test. It is used to estimate the relationship between the two variables. The number one is null hypothesis, and it is a statement that assumes no changes or differences. It is denoted by the H0. And the number two is alternative hypothesis. It is just the opposite of the null hypothesis. It is a hypothesis that the researcher is trying to prove. Now we discuss the steps involved in the hypothesis testing with the help of an example. Suppose a company wants to test whether a new marketing campaign is more effective than the current marketing campaign at increasing sales. So the first step is formulate the null and alternative hypothesis. So in this example, the new marketing campaign is no more effective at increasing sales than the current marketing campaign. This is a null hypothesis. On the other hand, the new marketing campaign is more effective at increasing sales than the current marketing campaign. This is an alternative hypothesis. The next step is collect data. The company randomly assigns customers to either the new marketing campaign group or the current marketing campaign group. The company then tracks the sales for both the groups over a period of time. The next step is analyze the data. The company compares the average sales of the groups using a statistical test such as a t-test. The next step, interpret the results. If the average sales of the new marketing campaign is higher than as compared to the current marketing campaign, then the company will reject the null hypothesis and conclude that the new marketing campaign is more effective, and then vice versa. Discuss about the p-value with the help of an example. Suppose you flip a fair coin 10 times. You expect to get 5 heads and 5 tails. But if you get 7 heads and 3 tails, how likely is that to happen by chance? To calculate the p-value, we can use a statistical test called the binomial test. Getting or more in 10 flips of a fair coin is 0.066, which is a p-value. 0.066 is a relatively low p-value. Last, we conclude that the hypothesis testing is a powerful tool that can be used to make assumptions about the population. Thank you.